It is legal counsel time, and Charlie O'Hara is in to take your questions this Wednesday, as he is every week. So call us 436-1212 if you have a question for attorney Charlie O'Hara this morning. Good morning, Charlie.
Good morning.
Appreciate you coming again.
Sure.
All right, let's get to the phones. We have 2 calls on the line right now. Thanks for watching Eyewitness News. What's your question?
Okay. My question is, I am divorced, going on 2 years now. My ex-husband and I have everything split 50-50 down the middle, and it's our decision on, who gets the kids on certain days or holidays and stuff like that. And my question is, lately he's been telling the kids, certain things like you don't have to listen in church. If you want to come stay with me, I want you to be bad in school. And my son comes home and tells me this, and I confront him, and he says, no, I'm not doing this. Is that grounds to go back to court and get it situated so the children are with me?
Well, anytime you have a situation like that, it's really complex. Now, your ex-husband may be doing those things, but as your children get older, they get quite manipulative too. So you can't tell whether the child's playing one parent against the other to get things from the parents, or whether the parent's really doing that, or it's some combination of all that. What people should do, I think, is if at all possible, try to work things out between themselves. I mean, understand you're not living together, you're not married anymore, you're going to have differences in how you want to raise the kids, but try to be tolerant of the other person when they have the child. If you can't do that, and it gets to be a situation where it's intolerable, then you can go back to court. But when you go back to court, it's kind of an all or nothing situation. Sometimes you go to court and you don't get in any way what anybody wanted. So it's best in any relationship, if possible, to try to be reasonable and work things out and be tolerant of other people, because since you're divorced from them, that's one reason, things didn't work out.
Right.
And so there's a problem there, but try to be tolerant, and especially with children, and children see that and they play it against each other, and it becomes a real problem. So I would try to work it out first.
All right. Thanks, Charlie, and thank you for your call. I appreciate it very much. Oh, back to the phones. Good morning. You have a question today?
Morning. Yes. City forced me to go to court on violation of city ordinance. Judge dropped all charges. In your own opinion, do you think the city should be responsible for my attorney fees?
Well, I can legally answer that. Probably not. I understand why people feel that way. Sometimes people feel when they're forced to go to court, miss work, or forced to hire an attorney, that they wish that the other side would have to pay that. In most instances involving the government, you're not going to get that money back, and you're going to just waste more time and more money trying to get it back. You prevailed. You got to celebrate your victory and probably leave it there.
All right, thank you. I think we have time for one more quick question. All right, no more calls then. All right, call us next week. Charlie, thank you. Appreciate you coming on this cold Wednesday. We'll see you next week. Might even be colder.
I hope not.
All right.